Welcome to Project Management. I am your instructor, Anna Langston, and I'm so glad you're here. I absolutely love teaching project management because I think it is essential in your professional development, and it can be applied to any career path you choose, not just our health professions. So wherever you land, I hope that you'll be able to use some of the things we learn in class and apply it towards your future. We are going to be talking all about successful project managers, what successful projects look like versus failed projects. We're also going to be exploring a lot of teamwork and leadership skills. We will be working in groups to actually execute a project, and a project is looked at as a very specific start and a specific end date, and it's usually embedded in a larger organization. So an event such as a 5K or a health fair, those are projects because they have a specific start, specific end time. We will be looking at the phases of projects such as planning, implementation, the actual day of the event or project, and then the evaluation process. But the main focus is really on the implementation of the project. I am going to be here every step of the way. I've recorded several videos explaining some of our major assignments, and I'm going to show you where those are today. You'll be working in groups of 4 to 5 students, and that's very real-world applicable because you're in the online setting. You will need to navigate the communication skills with your team to work to complete the actual objectives of the course. So that is a portion of your class, but we're going to get into some of that here. So you can see as I am our welcome message here and how to be successful in this class, and you can scroll up to our content tab, and you'll scroll towards all the way down. This is our Getting Started module, and this is going to set you up for success in this class. I want you to make sure you do take time to read through each of these weekly assignments, your course syllabus, all of these weekly tabs, so that you understand this course to the best of your ability. I'm going to click on your weekly schedule and assignments here. You can see all of this. I have the due dates highlighted, as well as what you'll be doing every single week. Obviously, it's a very rapid paced class because it's only 5 weeks long, but you can see I have outlined everything you will need to be doing during those 5 weeks. You can see all the way through our completion of our July 2nd end date. Now, if we scroll back up here, I'm going to go to our Getting Started, and I want you to be able to see under the Meet the Course Instructor, I have included a weekly Zoom meeting. It is a standing meeting on Thursdays from 11 to 12, and this is not obviously mandatory, but it is just it is my virtual office hours. So you can see here, this is the weekly information, so you can log on to your office hours and meet with me, ask me any questions. Again, these are on Thursdays from 11 to 12. So feel free to set up any other times with me. I am more than happy to meet with you, but I have found it beneficial to have some standing meetings so that students can jump on if they have questions, if they would prefer to meet with me through Zoom as opposed to asking questions through email. You can scroll down here to see the discussion questions. We will have several discussion questions throughout your time here. And we will also have, and you can read through all of the discussion directions and questions, we'll have group assignments, and then we'll have an individual schedule assignment. And all of the course breakdown, I'm going to scroll back up here so you can see that. The course syllabus outlines the percentages that you have for these assignments. So you can see our discussions are 10% of your final grade, exams are 40%. The group assignments are 30% of your final grade, and then the individual assignment, the schedule assignment, is 20% of your final grade. So just so you are familiar with that and where to find it, you can obviously look at the syllabus, but I want to go back up here and show you where we have your group assignments. So group assignments, you can click on this, and this describes all of your 4 group assignments in great detail. You can see all through here. However, I have also recorded a video for each one of your group assignments so that you can fully understand each of those in greater detail. So you can see here the team charter directions. You can click on the YouTube link as well as the project definition document, work breakdown structured directions, and then the communications plan directions. And I will also have an individual schedule video for you as well. But please make sure that you spend the necessary time to read through all of this information. It's very critical for your success in this class. I am absolutely here every step of the way, but please make sure that you are doing your part in reading through this Getting Started module entirely. I'm going to show you one more thing here. You can go scroll all the way up to your Communications tab and click on Groups. You will be able to see your group assignment. There are 7 groups, and like I said, each group has about 4 to 5 members. You should be able to see your members in the class. You will also be able to see you have a group assignment discussion where you can post information, contact information. You'll be organizing yourselves in and how you will communicate within your group and how you will accomplish the objectives of your group. And this is really your very quick summary of the class, and I'm really excited to be working with you all. I see some very familiar names on the course roster, and I'm looking forward to having you in class again. And if I haven't met you, feel free to shoot me an email and introduce yourselves. I hope you all have a wonderful semester, and I look forward to speaking with you more. Thanks.